Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money in Payoneer to Binance. So make sure you watch till the very end because this is actually very easy. At first, you head over to Binance and then you click on Buy Crypto USD, and then you're gonna select Pay with Credit or Debit Card. After that, we're gonna buy, and then you choose what amount you want to buy and what you want to receive, and then click on Continue. After that, it says Add New Card. Now here you're gonna put in your Payoneer card details, and to do that, just head over to your Payoneer account and then click on account details, and you can find the card details. So just put all of those card details and then click on confirm, and then review it one more time and click on confirm. And another method is from Paxful. As you can see that they have buying Bitcoin with Payoneer directed, so you can head over to Paxful. And the last one that we have today is No Ones. They also support Bitcoin, Ethereum with Payoneer, so you could do that very quickly. And this is it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.